Hey guys, this is Dr. Joe Abels. Today I'm going to go over Folligon usage, how to use your PMSG, pregnant mare serum gonadotropin, or commonly called equine chorionic gonadotropin. I'm going to show you how we can use this more effectively to increase your percentages with LAP AI. The Folligon, it should have been in a cooler on ice, and it should have been pretty cool at the time. Keep that box and you can actually sell that back to me. Those boxes aren't very cheap. So what we want to do is once that box comes in, when you receive that, it will be on an ice pack. Put your ice pack in the freezer and take your Folligon and go ahead and put that in the refrigerator till the day that we're going to do our cedar pool. Your Folligon will come in basically in a large 25 ml bottle, which is sterile water, and then it'll have this small product right here, which is a powdered form, or what we call a cake. This is a lyophilized, which is a $10 word for basically a dried powder. What we have to do is reconstitute this. So basically we have to take fluid, put it in here, shake it up, and draw everything out of this small bottle and place it into the large bottle. Okay, I'm using about a 6 cc syringe and an 18 gauge needle. What I'm going to do is draw out about 2 cc's of the sterile water. I'm going to put it into the dried lyophilized volume. Make sure the air is out. Then I'm going to shake that. Gently shake that up. Then I'm going to draw out every bit of the fluid that I can get out of there. I'm going to squirt it back into this larger bottle. Now you're going to do this right at the time of cedar pool. So if your cedar pool starting here in about 5 minutes, you want to do this exactly, or excuse me, right before you start pulling cedars. Instead of just shaking this bottle up, I'm going to rotate it in my hands to help stir it up. The other thing I'm going to do is try to keep it out of direct sunlight or exact UV light if I can. I'm going to flush this 2 or 3 times to make sure I get every bit of this powdered Folligon from the small bottle. When you push the plunger in, you notice how it backs up. You want to go ahead and pull a little bit out of there until it stops to get all the pressure off of it, so that when you stick the needle in there, it doesn't spray out. So we're just going to shake that again, or gently shake that side to side instead of up and down. I'm going to get that to as clear as can be so I can get every bit of the medicine out of there. Once the Folligon has been completely mixed and we're getting ready to pull the cedars, one thing I like to do in between injections or while I'm not using the Folligon is I can either put it back in the cooler on an ice pack, or if we're going through pulling cedars quickly, I actually like to put this on the ice pack that came and it's frozen, set that on top of there, and then gently wrap something over that. That'll help preserve the temperature. Guys, I hope that helped out a lot. The handling of the Folligon can be very critical. Remember, when you're drawing back and you go to put air back into the bottle, you don't want that fluid squirting out because you're losing some of that drug onto the ground. So in between deer, remember, place this on the ice pack or try to keep it cool as much as you can. This is a very temperature sensitive drug. I hope with everything this helps you out a little bit more on reconstituting or putting your powdered Folligon into suspension, and it should be in this big bottle. In between deer, you can gently shake it up and draw out 1 cc per doe. This will help tighten up your synchrony anywhere from about 20 to 25%. Without using this product, the best synchrony you'll have is about 75%. Take care and God bless.